You ready to go? You got your hat on? You just gonna wear it when you're driving and riding? Huh? Okay. Let's go. Let's go eat. You want to? Thank you, Deborah, for my breakfast, my birthday lunch.
You're welcome. It's also from cousins Cindy and Mike.
Oh,
Yes. Thank you.
we got
Happy
steaks.
birthday to you.
That's steak Tampakina. Okay, today I'm going to be making some white chicken chili. And I'm going to make it in the crock pot. And this is one of those little crock pots you can get at Walmart for like $20. I use this thing all the time when we're on short power. And so easy. And I'm cutting the recipe in half because it's a small crock pot. And Deborah's not going to eat any of this. I'll cook her. I went ahead and defrosted 2 bags. It has 2 thighs. So I'm going to cook hers in the air fryer later. And I'm going to have chili later. It's kind of windy and cold here. I do have long sleeves on. I just haven't pushed up. So it's starting to be that time of year. And I want to make more soups this year. I'm just not really a soup person, but I want to cook some soups this winter. So I do my taco soup, and I like it. And I'll have a chili recipe I like. But I don't really eat a lot of soups. I guess I eat a lot of Mexican food. But anyway, let's get this on and get it cooking. I'm going to cook it on high for, 3 or 4 hours. And then I'll come back, shred the chicken, put all the ingredients in here, and then cook it for another hour or 2 on low. And then it'll be time to eat. Okay, I just salt and peppered it. Well, actually, garlic, salt, and pepper. Nope, that's wrong. Garlic powder and pepper. And y'all cook. Get started. Okay, I'm going to have a little rant. I don't know what it is with can openers, but it's not working. And you can tell something's happened to it. I paid a lot of money for this one because I keep buying the cheap ones and I have issues. So, ghetto trusty multi-tool. Pull this out of my backpack. So let's see if I can get this open. You think it'll work? I did one little piece right there to see if it would. I just need it open a little bit. Yes, I know I could go get a can opener from Deborah. I could borrow one. But you know, sometimes you have to go, what if I don't have a can opener? And I thought I had one of those P54, 38, whatever they're called. Both of them. This should work. It is working. It's just slow. Yeah. You don't ever see this on a fancy cooking channel. Yeah. Keeping it real. Keeping it real. Alright, I wonder if I can just peel that back a little bit. It's corn. That's all I need to get the little corn kernels out of there. Get this little piece maybe. My other can opener tried. I just don't want to cut myself either. Alright, let's see. Then you use the other side. Gotta make it work. Look at there. That's all I need to do. No hill for a climber. Now I'm gonna drain it. Okay, I'm gonna cut up the onion. How many times have you seen that done? Let's see if it's gonna all fit. Is it gonna all fit? Onion. The corn. Okay, maybe I could have opened it up a little bit more. Hey, but it worked. Great Northern beans. See, I get to use these up. Yay. Because this recipe actually called for it. I was like, oh, I know what I'm cooking. I'm putting the juice and all. Yep, that's about all that's going to go in there. Some things I measure, some things I don't. If I'm doing somebody else's recipe and I really want to see what it tastes like, you know, of course, it doesn't mean I don't improvise and do what I want. Because this recipe I'm doing right now calls for cream cheese, and I don't have any. So I'm going to just use half and half. Oh, let me stir that up. You could use heavy cream. I saw it with heavy cream instead of cream cheese. I don't have any of that. So we're just going to make it with what I have. Ooh, it's full. Maybe I should have had the beans and corn, but okay, let's add the teaspoon of, you know what, I'm not even going to do that. How about a teaspoon of salt? I don't need that anymore. I like pepper, so this is a half a teaspoon. More like a teaspoon. I like pepper. I like salt. Da, 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 da. Don't dance. The camera will go wonky. Cumin. And I like cumin too. And people are, in a lot of recipes, they don't use, oop, no, that might be a little bit too much. They don't use a whole lot of cumin. And I like it. So that's what I'm saying. Improvise. Season it the way you like it. Now the cayenne, I might be a little bit. Half a chili powder. These I just don't want on my hands. Woo! Okay, let's do something. That's a little bit much. And put back what you don't use. And the cayenne, quarter on the cayenne, and I'm going to take him up on that one. And that's for a full recipe, so I'm not even going to do that. And some oregano. I should have just eyeballed it and just called it good, what I think. Oh, don't forget the green chilies. Dehydrated green chilies. Crock pot's full. I get those green chilies. I wish I'd have put those on in first so they'd be in the liquid. But they're gonna be here for 4 hours. They're gonna hang out, get all rehydrated. All right, put the lid on it and leave it alone. Oh, that good. Gouda. What'd I forget? One little lonely thing over here. I could add this at any time. The cilantro, which is dehydrated too. It doesn't have the exact same taste as fresh. Okay, now we're done. Now let's clean the kitchen. Let's clean the kitchen. And you know where this is going? Fall 13. Who saves the day? Well, it is definitely boiling. I have been stirring it. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the chicken out. I didn't realize this would have the bone in it. So I'm going to debone it, and then I'll put it all back in there. It's looking good, though. Looking good. Okay, I deboned those 2 chicken thighs. Put them back in there. She's watching every move I make. She's like, yeah. Alright, I'm going to leave that to put that on low. And until I'm ready to eat. Okay, there is my white chili. I'm making it white with the sour cream. I didn't add sour cream to the whole thing because I don't have a whole lot of sour cream, and it wouldn't be enough to make it taste right, I guess. So I'm just doing it to my serving. And and if I freeze it, I'll just write on the bag, because I'll probably put it in a gallon bag, because that's a lot, that to add sour cream to it when you fix it. All right, let's eat. Okay, let's see. Looks good. The sour cream makes it. I tasted it without the sour cream, and yeah, it's pretty bland. So, sour cream makes it.